Hey, welcome to my video. I totally forgot to make an intro for this video. So basically, I went to Miami to pick up the car, bring it back home, and I took a few videos of a few things that I did in Miami. Long story short, we're moving soon to a new house. Me, my girlfriend, and my sister, we're going to our own place, and I'm gonna be extremely busy for the next few weeks. So I just wanted to get my car back, get everything sorted so I can finish the thing and just not worry about it and tackle the house. I have a lot to do. Today, we already got some things packed up. We're clearing some stuff to get out of here. But in this video, you're gonna see me pick up the car and show you the car and do a couple things to the car. So we're gonna go back to the past. Well guys, we decided to stop at Ikea. We're here because, we're moving and we need furniture, so what a better place to stop by than Ikea. So we're going to the car after this. Hopefully it's almost done. Looks like I'm gonna have to have it towed. So when you stop at Ikea, you definitely have to get some of their food, bro. It looks kind of dinky, but it's great. All hail Swedish people. Alright guys, we're here at the spot. Made it home. Miata's here. But I'm not gonna show you nothing until daytime. I have a massive headache. Been doing a lot of stuff all day. So gonna go to sleep, gonna get some rest. And tomorrow, the same video, but tomorrow you're gonna see everything that's happened to this little guy right here. And 1, 2, 3, morning. Well guys, it's the next morning. As the years go by, I look more and more homeless. Sad. So I can show you guys what went down with this car. You're gonna be excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen it. I think only people that follow me from Instagram watch these videos. Alright, let's see it. Guys, I really tried to use my camera to get some shots in because that camera records in 4K, so it's a lot better quality video. But I guess we're back to the iPhone, back to the good old iPhone. So before I get in depth on all the crazy shit that's going on down here, let's get this prop down, close the hood so we can start from there. Look how beautiful that clears. Alrighty, so this car went to Miami to get exhaust, intercooler piping, and some stuff like buttoned up, right? So we can get this car running, looking as good as it can look, even though the body is kind of rough. But I mean, what's under here is really what matters in a car, in my opinion. But yeah, as you can see, you have a massive hood exit, and this is a pretty unique design. I have never seen it before. If you have, tag me on their build or their Instagram or whatever, because I have never seen this before. And it's basically a teardrop with another teardrop inside of it, and this one is a dump pipe. This is what's considered the down pipe, but it's not going down, it's going out the hood. You got a really nice beauty ring riveted to the hood. These are aluminum hoods anyway, so they're really light. I'm guessing with this little piece cut out of it, it's even lighter, bruh. Weight reduction. Well, that's what it looks like. Sticking out the hood a little bit, for some people to see it, some people to notice this work. I mean, it was expensive. I mean, shit, guys. But it's pointing towards the passenger, so no soot or anything goes onto my window, just to the passenger, because we don't care about passengers in this car. Clearly. And let me get the hood back open. I'll show you guys what's underneath. There you go. If you already kind of saw it before this, but this is beautiful. Shout out to Curtis, Motion from Motion Motorworks. I don't know, I just call him Curtis, but Curtis, he took a bit to do all this, but it was worth it. I mean, his work kind of speaks for itself. I told him I wanted a hood exit. I didn't tell him what kind of hood exit I wanted, and he got really creative. As you can see, that's the Screamer. Coming out the 44 mil tile wastegate into this massive 3.5 inch downpipe. All the welds looking beautiful. The rainbow in it's nice. I gotta wipe it down from any fingerprints so it doesn't get stained or whatnot when it gets hot. And right here, the oil feline tucked away really nice in the back. The Grady pod filter. To get that, he went ahead and even brushed a little bit and polished my compressor housing. I don't even know, man. Correct me if just polish my turbo. Polish my turbo, looking nice. He rearranged some of the parsing lines, and he did a heater core delete. As you can see, there's no heater core hoses back there, just so we can fit some of this beautiful intercooler piping. It's really hard to see because it's so tucked away and nice. But that's a 2-inch going all the way down to a 2.5 inch. So you can see right there how it scaled up in size. 2 Vibrant clamps, everything. Only that one treadstone because Vibrant didn't have any more 2 inches. You can see right here the mounts for the intercooler, all made by him. The intercooler is really solid in there. Another Vibrant clamp for the charge pipe. Snaking up all the pie cuts all the way down to the throttle body. Just look at how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. With the Vibrant clamp, he polished these throttle body a little bit. I still have a few things to do, like putting on a catch can. It's a bunch of little things I have to do still. He did a slight wire tuck on this side. As you can see, it looks a lot cleaner. He ran all the vacuum hoses, all the other hoses, to make it look a lot cleaner than it was before. Same over here. He deleted a bunch of stuff that I didn't need wiring wise, and overall it's very, very clean. I still have to wire a few things, just run the plug and make it look pretty, but yeah, that's it. It's looking gorgeous. I have to do some heat protection. I have to do a lot of stuff, and let's get to it. Before we tackle anything in the engine, I'm gonna be a racer and put some tire lettering on my tires. So I've been waiting to see what this looks like. I already did a couple things on the engine. I'll show you in a little bit, but let's get this on. Apparently they send you a piece of sandpaper and glue. So glued on it goes. That's what it looks like after installing. I don't think I'm gonna put the proxies on there, but looks pretty rad. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I always wanted tire lettering, and I'm a racer like that. But let me show you what I did to the engine real quick. So the air fuel, it's plugged in, and then the idle air temp, the GM sensor down there is for the idle air temp. Basically, why is it going out of focus? It connects to the old MAF plug, and then this goes all the way down to that sensor. I just have to unzip tie that and bring it all the way down there. This is my AEM electronic boost controller. Shout out Drift HQ, that's where I got it from. I always have parts at hand, which comes very handy. But so far that's everything I've done. I'm gonna try to install this, but it looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna go in for a little bit, let the rain kind of scoot away, and get back into this. All right guys, stopped raining, and I had a chance to get this NB cable, throttle cable, because since this is a BP4W, there's going to be a little bit of slack on the cable if you have a 96. Curtis is the one that told me to get a 99 or above throttle cable and put it on there, and as you can see, there's a lot more tension than it used to be before, because the adjustability is a lot better on these. It goes in the same way. You just pop it out of the firewall right there, and then pop a little cylindrical clip that's on the actual pedal itself. It's extremely easy to take on and off. So yeah, put that on there. I have to tighten it up, you know, tidy it up, zip tie it so it's away from the downpipe, and that's that. This having a little bit of a difficulty getting on there because, you know, it has that thread locker on it, and or thread sealer, if you will, and it makes it a little harder to go in, especially with the angle that I have, and I don't want to strip the aluminum of the, you know, intercooler and then have a bigger issue. So little by little I'm trying to get in there until I can get this connector on there. But so far that's what I've been doing. Let's try to get this thing cranking on this video, hopefully. So yeah, that's it for today. Put the tire letters on. We did a couple things in the engine. I covered everything up, so no water, no nothing gets in here because it's Florida and it rains every 5 minutes. But upcoming, I'll be doing some more stuff to get the car running, just simple stuff. The next thing is the ATI damper, because it's gonna be pushing the super damper, because it's gonna be pushing a lot of horsepower that the engine's not used to. I mean, it's not by any means like a huge amount of horsepower, like 1,000 horsepower Miata or anything like that. I'm trying to shoot 250, maybe 300, 350. Now the engine will certainly take it, but there's a lot of factors that go into making power. So let's see what happens. I have to tweak some things on the body so the car can actually turn and whatnot. Finish up the wide body, and then it's probably gonna be the next big step is paint. But before all that, I want to get it running. I want to do a couple things. Yeah, that's the video for today, guys. Next video, we're gonna get some stuff done. We're gonna try to crank it and start it, possibly. It could just crank endlessly, or just crank and blow up. Cease. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the patience for no videos for like 3 months. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe, like, comment, do all the stuff on the bottom. Hit the bell for notifications for whenever I upload. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.